Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting both yourself and the machine. Power off, unplug, and remove the battery if accessible. Once that's done, connect an external monitor to determine whether the GPU or the panel is at fault. This narrows your path. Next, remove the back or access panel and visually inspect the display cable and hinge area for kinks, loose screws, or crushed insulation, because mechanical stress commonly causes intermittent vertical or horizontal lines. You now tackle connectors and cable integrity. Gently disconnect the LVDS or EDP cable at both the motherboard and the panel, then reseat it to ensure solid contact. This fixes many line issues caused by loose pins. While doing so, inspect pins for corrosion or bending, and if needed, wrap with thin tape or swap to a replacement cable. After reseating, partially reassemble and power on to test. Compare results to the external monitor, so you know you finish by deciding between repair or replacement. If lines remain after cable work, the LCD panel or the inverter, on CCFL lit units, is likely failing, so order a matching replacement using exact part numbers. Make sure to bench test the new panel before fastening everything down. If even a new panel shows the same lines, then the graphics subsystem may be at fault and requires board-level service or GPU reflow as a last resort. If this happens, stop and consult a qualified.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.